Determine the equation of the two tangents to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 9, which are parallel to 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Let us begin. Now, if we have a circle and a line which is tangent to the circle, then the equation of the circle can be obtained by using the slope form. The slope form is given by y equals to m times x plus or minus r multiplied to square root of 1 plus m squared, where m is going to represent the slope of the tangent line and r is going to be the radius of the circle. So we need these two information to find out the equation of the two tangents line. Now it's given here that the tangent lines are going to be parallel to 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So let's use the equation. So here we are given 2x plus y minus 3 equals to 0. Now, if we rewrite the equation as y equals to 2x minus 3 and then compare it with the slope-intercept form of a line, which is given by y equals to m times x plus c, we can immediately obtain the value of the slope, which is going to be 2, and the y-intercept is going to be negative 3. Now, this is for the line 2x plus y minus 3. We can use this condition. We can use this value of slope because we know a property of straight lines is that if two lines are parallel to each other, then they are going to have equal slope, which means that slope of the tangent line m is also going to be equals to 2. We're going to use this value. Now we need the other information, which is the radius of the circle. Now we will be using the equation of the circle that's given to us. We are given x squared plus y squared equals to 9. Now 9 can be also expressed as 3 squared. For such a circle, the center is going to be at the origin 0, 0, and the radius is going to be 3 units. So we have everything that we need. We'll substitute the value into the equation of the slope. That means we are going to get y equals to 2 times x plus or minus 3, that's the radius, multiplied to 1 plus 2 squared. Or we can say y will be equals to 2x plus or minus 3 times square root of 5. So this is going to be the equation of the tangent line. So we have two equations. One of them will be y equals to 2x minus 3 times square root of 5, and the other one will be y equals 2x plus 3 times square root of 5. Both of the two tangents are going to be parallel to each other with a slope of 2, but with a different y-intercept.